All right, you guys, I'm back with Alberto here for part 2 of our video, and Alberto wants me to go to my coaching configuration. As you can see here, now that we've installed it, you can see our coach configuration and our scoring report, which is cool. So I'm going to go to Coach Configuration Tools and open that up. And yes, I want that to install. Choose OK to that. It's loading my scoring engine. All right, sweet, Alberto. I have my Cyber Patriot scoring engine. I'm under my local policies, audit policy. So I'm going to follow along with you.
Okay, important. We will bring the reference to the hardening guidelines that I shared with you before, based in the Google Drive for Cyber Patriot. You can use that hardening guidelines to do the configuration in the scoring engine. But basically here, we have different tabs or categories that are aligned to the operating system. Like I say, security configuration. The first one is the local policy that you can see that. I will show you quickly here. We go to the computer. Go to the control panel, large icon, administrative tools, and we have local security policy.
Okay, so you wanted me to go to my computer. What happened to my video? Darn it. The video that I was making just... Oh, gosh darn it. All that video that I made just decided to go, and do it again. But I don't know, my video just stopped recording for some reason. I don't know if it's because, gosh, this computer should be able to handle all these things that I got going on. But anyways, okay, so I'm here in my groups, and you went to administrators?
Yes, you double click the administrators group. You have two accounts, the default account and the one that I created. One second, please.
All right, so this is the one that I created.
Yeah. And the one account that was created when I installed the operating system.
Yep.
Okay.
So should I go to, okay, so you're back at your scoring engine there.
Yeah. Okay, 1 second here.
Yep.
Let me pick up one. Okay, now with okay, now this is also related. Okay, I will use this one. Let me switch to the other console. We have one policy that says the access this computer from the network.
Yep.
Okay? User right assignment on the local policy.
Where are you back at? User policies?
Yes, I am back in the local security policy.
Local policies.
We have the local policy.
Oh, you're back here. Okay, I got you.
Yeah.
So, user rights assignment?
Yes, on the user right assignment, in the right side, we have that policy that says, let's look at it. These are the accounts authorized to log in from the network to this computer. Okay?
Yep.
We have the local administrator, we have the backup operator, everyone a user. If we follow the handling guidelines, everyone, any local account is now recommended to log in from the, make a remote connection to the computer. We can say here, just for that we limit everyone So we don't want everyone to connect to the computer from the network. Everyone means everybody. Okay?
Now, do I need to turn that on in my scoring engine?
Yeah, when we switch to the scoring engine, we looking for that policy, and we check here and say, okay, they need to
remove that.
Well, yeah, but let me one second.
Okay.
Let's do completely everyone. That what I show you is what they need to do. I need to leave everyone here, and then remove from here and enable the scoring. That means that when they go to that policy, they need to remove everyone from the policy in the way that they can make a point. Do you understand?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, Brad. That will be the same from the other. That will take more time go over each of the different categories that we have.
Yeah.
But in a way that you can see how that works, less close. Scoring engine. Okay. Now that we close everything, I want to start the exercise. Later, you need to double click the score report.
No, it's turning on my Windows 8, and it's asking me to turn on suggested sites. I mean, this is the no. It's going to say no, right?
No, because this is the local. You see, this is the local directory.
Yeah.
Suppose that you see the score report.
Yep, I see it. Okay. I just got Windows 8 locking up on me right now. And I think my video... There we go. Your browser is out of date. That's all right. Okay, so here I have my scoring report. I have 1 out of 4 things. I'm 25% done.
Okay, let's go to the local policy.
All right.
Policy. We're in the local policy here.
Okay, I'm in my shoot, Alberto. So I'm in my administrative tools. I'm in my administrative tools, and then when I go there, what do I need to go in there?
Local security policy.
Yep, gotcha. All right.
Mm-hmm. You need to expand the local policies.
Yep.
And go inside the user right assignment.
Yep.
And we want to modify, in that case, the second policy that we have.
Yep.
We double click. We select everyone.
Oh, shoot. I took that out already. Darn it. Maybe that's why I had 1 point already.
Yeah.
I took that out when you were showing me those things. Okay, so we can choose OK to that. I got that out of there, but you're right.
Remove. Okay.
All right.
And then let's see how that changed here. A second.
Yep. There you go. And I got that same one. So, okay, let's do another one. So, I believe we were, let me follow you along here. We're going to go to audit policies.
Yes. Account login event. We enable both the success and failure.
Yep.
Apply.
Yep.
Okay. And suppose that we did a point.
Ah, there we go.
Now we got second point.
Yes, we did. All right.
And that would be the same for the other option that we enable.
And I'm going to follow along with you, security.
Security administrator. Account administrator status.
So we can disable that. We're disabling the administrator account status, right? And then you're also doing that to the guest?
Yes. Suppose that you can do it. Say here now, it's not applicable.
Huh. Oh, it will say, yeah, that's weird that yours says that. I was able to do it on my end just fine.
Okay.
But yeah, that's weird that yours is grayed out.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
But I've got 100% right now.
Okay.
So that's good. Okay, so Alberto, I know you have things to do, and I appreciate the time. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back over what you've taught me so far. But then could we have another day where you hold on one second, that we go through the different things and you can show me some more that I can record?
Sure.
I would love it.
Would be this week.
Sure.
Another week. Because next week I am out of the office.